Hello parents and students, welcome to Unit 3, Lesson 22 Classwork Review. Today we're going to be working on factors and finding out if they're prime or composite. So as a reminder, prime is any number that's only divisible by itself and 1. So there are only 2 factors. And then composite is everything else. As a little hint, the only prime even number is 2. All other numbers that are even are composite. So 2 is the only one because it's only divisible by 2, which is itself, and 1. So 2 is the only even private number. Okay, even prime number. So let's take a look. We got 6 here, so let's take a look at 6. So we could always start off with 1 times the number, so 1 times 6 equals 6. Then we're just going to go down the line. 2 times 3 equals 6, and that's it. So our factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So this is a composite. Okay, so composite. 7. 1 times 7 equals 7, and that's it. So my factors are 1 and 7, which makes it prime. Okay, 9, so 1 times 9. 2 doesn't go into it, so let's try 3. 3 times 3 equals 9, and then that's it. So we're using our multiplication facts to see what numbers can go into those numbers. So our factors are 1, 3. Now, we already have 1, 3, so we don't need to put 3 again, and 9, and this is composite. So 12 would be 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. And then you can go and say, well, factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, which makes it a composite. Okay? So that's really all we're doing. So that's what our classwork was. So let's take a look down here. It says, Brian says all prime numbers are odd numbers. Well, I already talked about it, but it says list all prime numbers less than 20 in numerical order. Well, if we list it, we would do 2, 3. 4 is not. That has 2, 1, 2, 3. So there's 1, 2, and 4. So that's 3 of them. 5 is prime. 6 is not. 7 is prime. 8 is not. 9 is not. 10 is not. 11 is. 13 is. Let's see. 14, no. 15, nope. 3 times 5. 16, no. 17 and 19 are all prime. Notice most of them are odd except for 1 are 2. So no, it is false. Two is prime and even. Okay. So once again, that's what we're working on today. So hopefully this kind of gives you a little refresh course of prime versus composite and what it is. So as a reminder, a prime number is only divisible by 1 and itself. So it only has 2 factors. Everything else that has more than 2 factors, 3, 4, and up, is composite. Thanks, and have a great day.